Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Saurabh the 650 Rider, and in this video again I am going to show you something unique, not a ride video, something unique in my bike that I have installed, and I am searching for this thing for ages, and this took me 5 to 6 months to actually found this stuff, to get my hand on this stuff. And you know, I used to do some long rides, short rides, and I have to charge my mobile phone on the go. But I have a mobile phone charger right here, but this thing is not that fast as well. You got me what I am talking about, a USB charger. But there are so many USB charger in the market, which there are only two kind of category of those: very high and very crappy kind of quality. Very high means 3000 4000 kind of you have to spend, and minimum is 500 600, which is a very crappy quality. That thing can kill your wiring harness or anything, is a fire hazard, and the expensive ones are very costly. So I was searching for something OEM, and Hero used to make USB for their OEM USBs for their bikes, but I can't found it anywhere in India, in Patna where I used to live. But you know, there is classic next gen classic 350 and the Meteor 350s, which comes with the USB charger, which they place right here. And I was searching for the same thing, and I found that. As you can see the title of this video, I finally found this charger, and that charger is not in the market anywhere. You can't find it anywhere, not even service center will give you. I got it because I have some connections to some of very good guys. Taju bhai, thanks. Because of him this thing is possible. And let's show you the USB charger. This is the USB charger. See, this is the OEM one. See the Royal Enfield logo right here, and this thing used to be in this part, and where the next gen 350 and the Meteor 350, this USB charger used to sit right here. But I met some kind of jugaad. Taju bhai made this jugaad. He fitted all this thing, did wiring, and see a small kind of plate he made in this nut. He just screw this and screw this thing right here, and this very sturdy. It will not go anywhere. And this will switch on only when this switch is on, and no, you can't switch it on when the bike is switch off. Okay, see, I will show you. It's a little bit tricky to do this thing by one hand. Wait, let me just put it. See, I have put the wire of my mobile. Just let me see. The mobile is right here. My bike is not on. Switch on, and I'm switching it, the bike on. See, the bike is on. Fuel pump sound. And now see, this is not charging right now, and just when I put this switch, the mobile will start charging. See, the mobile started charging. Let me show you once more. It's actually detecting my face and unlocking itself, so you are not seeing the thing. Let's see. See, it's charging 75%, and this thing charges very fast. I also have this charger right here, but it's not that fast charger. You see, it's 3.0 charger, but it's not that fast. But this charger is very fast, and this thing charge your mobile or your GoPro's batteries very fast. Let me switch it off. So you have seen this OEM charger how I have installed, and this switch is actually I have bought from Amazon, and this thing is put like this, that this switch will only work when the ignition switch gets on, and when the ignition switch gets on, when I used to push this switch, only then this will work. So this is a very good jugaad, what I say, but this is not a bad jugaad, this is a very good jugaad. Your wiring won't get destroyed anyway, even your warranty will not void, because no wire has cut. See, and I have also make the AHO system, the front light switched off in this switch. See, my bike is on, only the small light is getting on, only the small light, but not this big light. See, I am now pushing this light. See, I am now pushing this light. A light will glow here, and the front light is also on. See, and now I am pushing it back. It's switched off. So these things are a very good thing that I have installed, and I will make a detailed video of accessories and my 2+ year of how I kind of like this bike. But before all this, I have just made a small video of the installation of this particular USB charger. So let's see this what I say, installation part. But when I am installing it got a kind of dark there, so I can't make a full video of that, but you can get it right. If you will take this thing to any good mechanic, he know how to install all these things without any wire cutting. And yeah, this thing cost 650, just as my bike 650. This thing cost 650. This switch is you can find in Amazon, and the charging he take to do the wiring. Let's see the video.
So this is the Royal Enfield charger, 650 rupees cost, and this is the charger what they have given in the Meteor. This is how you open. अभी इसका फिटिंग देखिए यहाँ पे हो रहा है, और यहाँ से ले जाके अंदर में इसका डोम में ले जाएगा। इसमें कुछ इस तरीके से किया गया है। हाँ लाख इस तरीके से किया गया। इसको इस स्विच से दिया जाएगा लाइन, इस स्विच से। दिस इज क्लासिक 350, इसमें भी लगा हुआ है। देखिए अभी यहाँ पे लगा, इनका वर्क कर रहा है अभी मस्त एकदम। मेरा नाम भी लीजिए, मिट्ठू कर रहा है। मिट्ठू भैया अपना लगाए हैं। हेलो। मेरा ये लग गया USB। ताजू भैया लगाए, एक नंबर काम किए ताजू भैया, और इतना मस्त लगाए हैं। ये स्विच जब ऑन होगा ऐसे देखिए तभी ये काम करेगा। अब जब बाइक का ये ऑन रहेगा तभी काम करेगा। देखिए ऑफ, ये भी ऑफ, ये ऑन, ये ऑन, और ये ऑन होगा तभी ये काम करेगा। अभी मैं मोबाइल से कर रहा हूँ इसलिए मैं चार्जर दिखा नहीं पा रहा हूँ, मैं आपको घर में दिखा दूंगा। यहाँ काम हो रही है ताजू बुलेट, पूरा मस्त। यहाँ पे सब तरीके का बुलेट का काम होता है। देखिए ओल्ड मॉडल, सब तरीके का बुलेट का यहाँ काम होता है। वहीं हमको पता नहीं था ये पटना में है, तो अब पता चला, तो अब मैं अपना काम यहीं पे करवाता हूँ। देखिए पूरी बुलेट्स लगी हुई है, पूरे ओल्ड मॉडल पूरा।
So guys, you have seen the installation video. It's kind of small, not that thorough, but yeah, that I don't have my GoPro there, and it was dark, and you know the GoPros are shit in dark, so I used my OnePlus 6, which is what 2.5 years old, and its camera is also got shitty, so I can't make a thorough video, but you get it. If you show this thing to a good mechanic, he know how to do all this thing. So you have seen I made a very good USB charger right here, and this thing just I have installed in this Interceptor, but you can also install this thing in Himalayan, old generation classic, and any other bike. This is a OEM product, and this thing won't fry your wiring or make go fire hazards or anything like that, drain your battery. All thing is this switch, and this switch is in the ignition, and it will not even blow your ignition. It's not that heavy kind of things, anything not heavy. I don't install anything that kind of harm my bike. I only install this thing which is important. So, and guys, this is my garage. I used to park my bike here. I have also bought one new bike, and I used to do office in this bike, my office and back home. But you know that damn traffic we used to have in India, and Patna is traffic is very bad, and you know the silencer, this two big silencer, people used to get hit me here and I fall back. Then see, there are so many scratches here, but I don't want any more scratches. So because of that, I bought a Splendor Plus, Hero Splendor Plus new generation BS6, which is as much as good as this bike, and just bought it 2 or 3 days ago, and video of that bike will come very soon because it's a very good bike. So don't mind this garage. I used to park my bike right here, and this is where I used to do stuff and this kind of recording. And the bike of little bit of dirty, I used to clean it, but I am not having that much of time to do all this thing. And this video also coming very late because you know, no time here, I have to do office and all that thing. So do like this video, share with your buddies and any other Facebook वगैरह, so people know there is something you can do with this USB charger right here. Do like this video, comment down below, and subscribe my channel because I need subscribers. I only have 200 and something subscriber. I need at least 1K subscriber. Thank you guys, you are the best. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.